Hey guys, Rich here, flipping for a living. Thanks for coming back to the channel. I'm about to show you everything I bought as my beautiful new assistant, my wife. Say hi.
Hi.
Oh, that was so sexy. My wife is now gonna be my videographer. So she's showing you, have you zoomed out yet?
I did, but terribly. But keep going.
Because you don't want to just be in on me. You want to show everything else now.
I am, honey.
Okay. We're gonna show you everything that I bought just today. It's only Friday. We still got tomorrow. $244 we spent on all of this stuff. All of this stuff over here and over there. Okay. And we're gonna sell it all for like a minimum $1,300. I did some rough math, maybe a little bit more because I haven't comped everything yet. Like we often do, we just go off a gut. If something's 50 cents or $1, we just buy it immediately because we know there's a good margin there, right? We got to take a chance. You got to gamble sometimes on those 50-cent things so you can get onto the next sale. Anyways, this one was a no-brainer. $2. Somebody really wanted to get rid of this really bad. They didn't have a price on it. I said, how much? They said, you know what? We've had that for a long time. How about $2? And of course, I rode this baby away as fast as I could. It's already on Facebook Marketplace. I only posted up for 35 bucks because it needs a handle. We'll flip it fast. It's probably gonna go today. But let's move on to everything else. It was a really good day. Actually, I'm gonna go start over here, honey, over here. We're gonna start in my wife's section over here. You look like you're really close to me. I don't think that I want you to be that close to me. I don't know.
I think I'm not that close.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, hello, welcome to IKEA. See, basically, that's what it looks like right here. All this wicker and trendy stuff, I basically got it all from one garage sale today. These people said that they used to stage homes or something like that. So I know it kind of looks like an IKEA. And that's another point I want to make. What do? We always buy things that are current and up to date because that's what people are looking for right now. Like we're going to leave after this video and we're going to go to the store and we're going to shop for something we want now, something we can use today. We're not so worried about buying a 100-year-old fork or plate to hang on our wall. Nobody cares about that. They care about stuff that they can get satisfaction from today. So that's what we always focus on. Anyways, I don't know how many of these baskets and interior designing things that my wife is going to keep and how many of them I'm going to resell. But for example, these here, it was $1 for 3 baskets, $1 for 3 baskets. This one was $3. Definitely gonna get rid of those. You don't like those ones, hey?
No.
No, I don't really like them either, but I bundled a lot of stuff together. Make sure you do that also. If I haven't said that before, but I'm sure I have. Put a bunch of stuff in a pile and then just ask them, how much would you take for everything? And generally you'll be surprised at how low they'll go on the bulk price. So make sure and do that. So a lot of this stuff, not a huge resale value, but if Leslie doesn't keep this stuff, my wife, the director, producer,
Terrible videographer.
and videographer, she doesn't keep these. Like I'll put these little sets up for like probably like 20 bucks for all those and just get rid of these for 10, and I know we're going to keep this stuff. So that's that. I'll stick with this for now. If she doesn't want this set of baskets, I paid $5. I know I'll get 20 for that. This nice little Ottoman storage container that I did pay probably about $8 for in the bulk price. She's probably going to keep that, even though our cats will wreck it. If she doesn't though, I'll post that up for 25, 30 bucks, easy money. This nice little wicker hamper, same thing. Paid $5, maybe $4. I'll post that up for $25. A couple great little finds. This guy had all sorts of crap at his garage, so he was clearly a hoarder. These cool little micro jammers, you can see they play their own music, and they're still in their container. What do you call that?
Original
Packaging. They're bubble wrap, whatever. These are 50 cents a piece, and these are selling for like 20 bucks when they're not in their packaging. So this could be like 50 cents turned into easily $50 or more. So I was pretty happy about that. Hadn't actually seen these before. These are McDonald's 2008 Olympic cups from Beijing. Winter Olympics, I think. I don't know. But the set of 4 should easily go for about 30 bucks. I got $2 into that. Those HD satellite receivers over there, they are asking $10 a piece. A lot of people rent those. we actually did that. We rented those for the longest time. You pay your cable provider like $6 or $8 a month for like 2 years. You end up paying hundreds of dollars for those things. Actually, 8 times 12 is 76, times 2 is only $152. But I think they were more than that, weren't they?
I don't remember.
Anyways, people are happy to buy those if they need them for like $75 to $100, and these are basically new in the box still. I got the 2 for $15, so we'll get 10 times our money on that. These ones, I'm going to sell them as side tables. A lot of people just sell them as storage containers, but I'm actually going to sell these as end tables or side tables for your bedroom. They got nice little storage. Gonna have to touch up the black on here, but it was $10 for the set, and I'll easily get $50 for that because there is a set of them. A lot of times you only find one, and because they are wicker. This West Edmonton Mall game, I sold a couple of these. They're local to my area. People in my area look for them. So these I often sell on Facebook Marketplace, but I can get closer to $50 for this on eBay because it's in such nice shape. It's a fairly rare game, and this one is in great shape. This Star Wars electronic reader 8-book library, this is brand new. It was never opened, factory seal. They had it for $5. That's going to sell for $25 on eBay. Okay, so here's 3 really nice examples of what a person can get for $1 that they can turn into 20 bucks. We have this mid-century magazine rack, mid-century ashtray holder, and another kind of wicker magazine rack or whatever. Like, people use this kind of stuff to display their toilet paper or their towels. I mean, there's so many different uses for them rather than just magazines now. But anyways, these are each $1. I do have to add an ashtray to this one. This is not the original ashtray, but I do have a couple square ones somewhere. I just have to find them. And then, yeah, each of these items will sell for around $20, $25, an easy $60 off of $3. So I love those kind of purchases. So I got a couple skateboards here, $5 a piece. Love buying skateboards for $5. This one's in pretty decent shape still. The wheels and bearings are still really good, and the deck is good. We'll just have to take our pressure washer to that and clean it up so it looks brand new. And then this one could be a real winner. I don't know if you can see that, but right in the middle there, it's kind of embossed or engraved in there, Nash. This is like an original Nash skateboard. I had one similar to this that I sold for a couple $100 on eBay a couple years back, but that could be a real winner at $5. We might make a couple hundred. This time of year, I can't go garage selling without finding golf clubs. I found 3 this weekend, $2 a piece, all from one sale. They're all pitching wedges. A lot of people are looking for single wedges like this and always looking out for those good brand names like TaylorMade. This is a 60 degree, a 52 degree, a 56 degree. Like, these are all $2 a piece. I'll easily be able to post these up for $20, and if I want to put them on eBay, I might be able to get 30 or 40, but it's probably not worth it to do all the shipping and packing and risk a return. All that other stuff will just take $20 locally, get 10 times our money. There's a deer. I don't know what you do with it. I bought it for $5. The lady said you put it up against the hail bale.
Bay hail?
A bale.
No, a hail bale. No.
A bale of hay. She says you put it up against a bale of hay and use it as target practice, but that makes no sense because you wouldn't want to put holes in this. Like, why would you want holes in this? It's rubber. I know it's just some kind of decoy or something, a shelter that you hide behind or shield yourself from other predators, from other deers. I don't know. This is not really working out.
I think you just put, this is a deer, and that's all.
Here's a deer. I don't know why I bought him. He was $5. People like hunting, and I'm sure that was probably $100 at Cabela's. So we'll see if we can get 30 or 40 bucks for it. Sometimes you just buy stuff. One of my favorite finds of the day, I love retro stuff, retro patio stuff. I probably have had several. Struggling. Why am I struggling? What's going on with me?
Take a deep breath.
I don't need a deep breath.
Oh, okay. Well,
one of my favorite finds of the day, this retro lounger. I really like the colors. It's in excellent shape. A lot of times they get worn out and they get ripped and torn. You see a little bit of water. You can see a little bit of water
You having a stroke?
Maybe.
Okay. Well, I've got it on video if you do.
Did I talk about that skill saw?
No, you didn't.
Okay. So, one of my favorite finds of the day. One of my favorite finds of the day is this retro lounger. I buy stuff like this anytime I can get it. It sells really quick. This was $2. I'll probably get about $35 for that locally. Again, sometimes things like these on eBay, you can get close to $100 for them. It depends if I can get that little watermark out of there. I'll try with my pressure washer, but nonetheless, $2 is easily gonna be 30 bucks. I had a set of these, a pair of these smaller ones that I bought at a garage sale for $3 a piece a couple weeks ago. They sold instantly for like $35. I'm gonna actually contact the same person and see if they want this larger one to go with the two smaller ones. And I actually like this one better than the set, and I'll try and get 40 bucks out of them. I paid $1 for that. Another great investment. This video has been a bit of a
show.
Did you see that? Is that in the picture or just me?
No, it's in the picture.
That's in the picture?
Yes, honey.
When I'm looking at the camera, it looks like it's not in the picture.
It's in the picture. I'm looking at it in the picture.
I know that this video has been a bit of a
show.
a gong show. A gong show. But I bought a gong again for like $4. It was in a bulk purchase with all that stuff for the staging company, and now I have a gong. Thank you. So in that box right there, you can see a couple little arms sticking out. I'm gonna save that till the end. I want you guys to think about what's in there. Now that you see those two little arms, I paid 18 bucks for everything that's in there, and I'm gonna get $300 to $400 out of what's in that box. This is by far my favorite purchase of the year, and I'll tell you why. This is a cornhole game, and I've actively been looking on Amazon and at local sporting stores for a cornhole game, and I don't want to pay $100 or $120. And it was just amazing when I walked up to this garage sale and they had this sitting there, and it was in the middle of the day and nobody had bought it yet, and they had it priced for $15. I love that it is Notre Dame branded, Fighting Irish. It's in really nice shape. Just everything about it just made my day. And then they sold it to me for $10 because it was still sitting there midday. So favorite find of the day by far. I got this little Art Deco side table. It's actually a piece of a vanity. The middle was broken, so they knocked off the sides. This was $5. I'm gonna sell this for $35. Someone's gonna buy that just as a nice little side table or plant stand. This wicker chair over here, or rattan or bamboo or whatever you want to call it. Paid $5 for this. It does have a broken seat, like it's popped off a little bit, but I'll easily be able to fix that with my brad nailer. That won't take but a couple minutes. I know a lot of you might pass on that because there is some work involved, but you can just get little finishing nails and hammer that back together. It costs you like $1 worth of nails from the dollar store, and you can take $5 and turn it into 75. That's what I'm going to do with this. My wife thinks it looks much better without this ugly faded cushion on it, and she's probably right. Or because I got this cushion for free, I might just cut off just the base of it and put it on there, but we'll see. Either way, it's $5 and it's easy gonna be like $50 to $75 return on that. Got this ladder for 15 bucks. Ladders always sell quickly locally. I'm obviously not gonna ship that out. This one does a few other things other than just being A-frame a ladder. I'll post that up for probably $50, make a quick 35 bucks. Last few things so we can get on our way. Yamaha guitar. Yamaha is not the best brand out of all guitars, but it's kind of mid-range, okay? It's not a Fender, it's not some real awesome classical guitar, but I paid 50 bucks for this, including the stand and the bag, which alone is worth $50. I haven't comped this yet, but because it's Yamaha and it's in mint shape, I know that I'll get at least 125 bucks for it. If it's a little more rare Yamaha, we could get $200-300, but I was not gonna pass it up for 50 bucks because I know that's an instant, like double or triple my money. This little day bed, 35 bucks for that. It also came from the people who were staging the houses once upon a time. It's in really good shape. I'm gonna flip that quick locally, probably just go 95 bucks, just under 100. It's not super high end, not really good quality, otherwise I'd go more, but you can buy little day beds like this at places like Yisk and IKEA for like 150 bucks. So It's not super valuable, but it'll sell quick. A couple shirts real quick. Harley Davidson shirt in nice shape. This Hugo Boss shirt. And then this Tommy Bahama shirt. That's already gone because my teenager wanted it. And what do? Family first, right? I got the 3 of them for 10 bucks. I was going to make well over 100 with the Tommy Bahama. But I love my son much more than the money. So I'll just sell these 2 and double my money as opposed to all 3 and get 7 times my money. Is that everything?
The saw thing.
Oh, the saw.
Oh, and these guys.
Oh, and those guys, yeah. Real quick, we're late for our date. I got the skill saw for 10 bucks. I sell these all the time for 35 around there dollars. And last but not least, really quick, let's go. Let's see what it is. Did you figure out what it was? Did you Google it? Did you research it while I was babbling and fumbling with my words for the last 5 minutes? Yes, you're right. It is a box of vintage Titan Sports LJN WWF wrestling figures. I don't know who all these guys are offhand. Obviously that's Hulk Hogan. I forget who that guy is. There's a handful of those. And then a bigger box or bag for $5. Masters of the Universe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 or 13 Masters of the Universe. A couple Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. This whole box was 5 bucks. Obviously the person didn't know what they were selling, but we knew what we were buying. This alone will get me at least $200 back. And then in here, they had all of these 4 for $2. Just random other vintage retro toys. I don't even know what I got here, but I think I got some good ones. If you know, comment in the comment section down below. Save me some time comping. But there's some great toys here. These Transformers that are also animals. I'm not sure what this is. I'm kind of just wasting time. This guy,
That's a Masters of the Universe
that
guy.
is.
Yeah.
My wife even knew that. This is Masters of the Universe, and I actually think this guy's worth about 50 bucks all by himself.
Nice.
Yeah, super nice. And there's a handful of
Star Wars. I had those.
Star Wars, and these are the originals. Now, none of them have their weapons, unfortunately. I don't know if these are any rare ones. Probably not. But these were basically like these 4 guys here. Well, there's 6 of them. These 6 guys were $3. So I don't know what we'll get out of that, but I'm super stoked to look those up. And then a couple little ETs.
Oh, I love E.T.
E.T. the extra testicle. He's even got his little red finger there. He wants to go home with his scarf. So that is it, you guys. That's our haul for today. One day, Friday. About 200 and just under $250 invested. Easily $1,300 return here, maybe a little bit more depending on how these guys price out. A really good day of yard selling, so I encourage you guys to get out there, keep hunting. I'm not doing anything special. I'm just getting to as many sales as I can. No, I don't want to say that. Man, rambling.
I think you sound great.
So that's it for today, you guys. So that's it for today. About $250 spent. We're easily going to get 5 times our money back, maybe 6 times. If you guys have any questions or comments, please put them in. If you guys have any questions, my wife is making faces. She's making faces because she knows that I'm struggling so much today for some reason. I don't think I've had enough Red Bull today, maybe. Is that it?
Probably.
Yeah.
You shouldn't have very many.
If you guys haven't already done so, please feel free to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when all my new videos come out. If you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comment section below, and I hope you guys all have a great day and love what you do.